Come on, you've been sitting long enough. You can do this.
I know I can.
Ready to go.
What do you get to go on?
Scotty building. You see a giant sign on the left.
Maar je komt voor je zitplaats.
Ja.
Maar dat volgt me niet.
We'll take a look. Yeah.
Nou, het kijk de eerste keer over. Ik had het van ik zal niet liegen.
Nee, ik ook niet.
Je beter. Ik ben zo benieuwd. Ja, dat is wel Nee, ik ga beneden hier hoger. Dat is het eind.
You're gonna follow them all the way into that library. I don't think they're bad. I don't know. Them all the way down.
Hier deze slaap. Uit niet.
No, I would always go to Harry's. 2 John Daly's, quesadilla, and some of my friends eat their wings. I'll be my pocket. They have good tacos. I don't miss the California taxes.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Frighten you from the You didn't make us frighten us prematurely. Frightened? I mean, if you want. That's expensive. That's last night, though. Oh my god, did you? That was Jack's story? Yes! How did you read that? I never thought about that, but I'm like, they're awesome.
take special care to supervise your children. Thank you.
Party of two over here. Can I get you guys in row one? You guys in row one over here. Party of two over here.
Front row.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments, the elevator will take you all the way to your rooms and drop you off. Please do not move until I call you from row, starting from row 5, then all the way to row 1. Make sure they bucket from left to right, bucket from left to right only. Bags and backpacks are around the floor. Watch those children. Guys, I will.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile a sus manos. Gracias.
Disneyland's better. I like Disneyland's better. Remember, left to right.
Mind if we actually not sit on that? Can we? Yeah, jacket is just. We want extra percent. Thank you so much.
Nobody said anything the other 2 times.
So he's doing his job, the other guy's not.
Oh.
Okay, I can't get it. I hate it.
I always have a hard time with those also.
Well, I got it faster now.
All right.
And like, pull it all the way out. Yeah. That's fine. All right, now buckle it and then see if it'll.
We've been on that side twice, now we're on this side.
That's the best time to ride. You're doing fantastic.
There's nobody in line.
I'm buckled. Just go to this one over here. She's gonna move on.
Here?
Oh, we're
She's setting him up.
Yeah, she's fine. All right, pull that yellow tab, ladies and gentlemen, once we get a chance to. Pull the yellow tab, pull the yellow tab. After you buckle yourselves in. Rows 3, 4. Rows 1 and 2.
all right.
Rows 1 and 2. Hands up.
Hands up.
Ladies and gentlemen, hands up, please. Put all hands up. Put all hands up. Put all hands up. Now drop them like you're about to.
All right.
You are the passengers on a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
I want you behind me every time. That is fun.
I'm sorry, I didn't ruin it for you.
No, that was good.
I laughed through fear.
Definitely made it ride more interesting. Oh. Excuse me.
Let's order it.
Oh my God. We're like the limits of the hits out. That is smiling at the best time.